Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Acoustic Guitar Dua Lipa. Happy for you, alright? So if you wish this song, learn to this, I'm happy for you because you're gonna do that now. And we have this song here with the capo set on the first fret, and with that we have 4 chords only to handle this great song. Happy for you from Dua Lipa. Let's take a look at the chords. So we have G now, that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, 3rd E. We have then the D F. So what you do there, you leave this bottom there from the G chord, you just recuperate your index and mid finger to this position. So that will be 2nd on A, sorry, E, open A, open D, 2nd on G, and then 3rd B, 3rd E still. That is the D F chord. That is basically a D chord but with an F sharp here, F sharp note in the bass. Next chord is the A, and that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. And the final chord is E minor. So E minor is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. So we're going to handle this song here with a strumming pattern that is about 8 downs in total. We want to emphasize the 4th down and the 7th down. We do that in the way that we're playing on the bass strings for all the downs except for the 4th and 7th where we go down here and play on the higher notes. So one string round goes like this. Okay, that gives us a certain rhythm. So slowly, 8 downs in total, it goes like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is the rhythm. All right, so let's look at the different parts here, starting with the verse. You're gonna play G, 1 string round, D, F1, and A2. You do that for 2 chord pressure rounds, like this. That is the verse play. Over to pre-chorus. You're going to continue the same strumming here throughout the song. Now you're going to do E minor 1, D F1, and A2. So you do that for 2 rounds as well. We can do 1 together. It goes like this. Another round of that with E minor in the start, and that is the pre-chorus. So over to chords now. You're gonna continue, like I said, strumming now with the chords G1, D F1, A1, and E minor 1. Okay, we can do that for 2 rounds. You're gonna do that for 4 rounds here in the first chorus. Let's do 2 together. So that is the first round. Over to the second round, and it repeats itself here with the verse, also with the pre-chorus, and also with the second chorus. Everything is a repetition. After the second chorus here comes a bridge part. We are about 2 minutes and 29 seconds into the song. And what you do here is just to continue with the chorus play for 2 rounds. And that's the bridge part. So after these 2 rounds, you go back and play the final chorus, which is about 8 rounds in total of the chorus play there. So basically from the second chorus until the very end, you're gonna do 4 plus 2 plus 8. That will be 14 rounds. 14 rounds, guys, of this chorus play. G1, DF1, A1, and E minor 1. And that wraps it up for Dua Lipa's Happy For You. Hope you enjoyed it, guys. And if it was helpful, I'm happy for you. Feel free to support me here, and I'm happy. So thank you so much, and play tuned.